Welcome to the video for our April Take and Make. This month we are going to be making an egg craft. If you've picked up the kit already, you will have found a piece of cardstock, an egg pattern, and some paper straws. Things that you have to round up from around your house are scissors, a pencil, and some form of glue. I'm using a hot glue gun because I find that works the best for holding the straws down, but you can also use regular craft glue or something else that you have. But like I said, I'm using a hot glue gun. So the first thing that you have to do is take your egg shape and take the straws that you have in your kit and lay out the pattern that you want. You're going to have a variety of colors, and some are just plain color, some are striped, and you just have to figure out what kind of pattern that you want. I suggest just lining them up on your tabletop until you get it the way that you want it. I forgot to count ahead of time how many straws are on here. Let's see, there's one. There's 21 of the plain colored straws that cover the egg. So put down that many straws so you know what you want your pattern to be. And then I glued them a little bit at a time because if you put glue all over your egg, then the glue is going to start drying before you have time to put the straw down. So I just put a little line of hot glue and started down the egg. And now when you're done, here, I'll just show you a part of what it's going to look like. All you're going to see are your straws in a row. You're not going to be able to see the egg shape. So once you have all of your straws glued down, just flip it over to the back so you can see the egg shape. And then just take a pair of scissors. I tried using an X-Acto knife at first, but I just found that it wasn't really working for me, so I just took a pair of sharp scissors and trimmed around the egg. Just go slow, do one straw at a time, and then when you're done, you'll have this egg shape that's decorated and looks nice and pretty, and you can then mount it to your piece of plain cardstock. Put some glue on the back of the egg, put it where you want on that piece of cardstock, and now you have something pretty that you can display with your other Easter decorations. If you want, you can even put this in a frame. Just make sure that the glass is out, because it's thicker than a normal picture, so you wouldn't be able to put the glass in it, but it would be pretty to put in a frame, on your refrigerator, anything you want to do with it. So that's our quick and easy April Take and Make. I hope you enjoyed it, and check back next month for our Make Craft. Thanks!